In a world already burdened by uncertainty, the people of Israel and Iran are facing a time of immense tension, fear, and pain. Families in both lands are worried about tomorrow. Children go to sleep with questions that have no easy answers. And yet, in the midst of darkness, there is always a light, the light of humanity. This message is not about politics. It is about people. It is about you, the father in Tel Aviv, the mother in Tehran, the young dreamer in Haifa, the student in Isfahan, who all long for the same thing, a life of peace, dignity, and hope. You may come from different faiths, cultures, or histories, but your hearts beat with the same rhythm of love and life. You laugh, you cry, you hope, and you hurt, just like every other human being. Let us remember, war is not the legacy we want to leave behind. Hatred is not the inheritance we want to pass to our children. What we build in peace will always be stronger than what we destroy in anger. History has shown us, conflict brings suffering not only to soldiers and leaders, but to mothers, to babies, to families, to generations. And in this age, when a single spark can ignite global consequences, the responsibility on all of us is greater than ever. To the people of Israel, you have the strength of survival, the heart of resilience, and a right to safety and peace. To the people of Iran, you have a rich history, a powerful spirit, and a longing for justice and freedom. What if, just for a moment, we dared to imagine not what divides us, but what connects us? What if we reached out with words instead of weapons, with understanding instead of accusations, with compassion instead of fear? The path of peace is not easy, but it is possible. And it begins with us. Let the world say of this generation, not that we added more blood to the soil, but that we turned the tide. That the people of Israel and Iran chose a new path. That in their hardest hour, they chose to speak when others were silent. To forgive when others held grudges. To heal when others wanted to harm. Give peace a chance. Not just for yourselves, but for the world. For the children yet to be born. For the dreamers, the poets, the thinkers, and the peacemakers. You have the power to shape history. You have the courage to choose peace. To every heart listening, whether you are in Jerusalem or Shiraz, in London or New York, share this message. Speak up for peace. Let us be the generation that stopped the spiral, that built a bridge, that dared to believe that a better world is still possible, because it is. And it begins with us.